Hi guys! Today we're going to draw Woody the cowboy from Toy Story. Let's start with enthusiasm and smiles. First, we draw Woody's head. Then we form waves on it for his hair. After that, we add a big cowboy hat on top of his head, just like in the video. Don't forget, we draw the details of his face. There are 2 ears, eyebrows, round eyes, and a cute little smiling mouth. Now we draw a line down to make the body. Then we draw a belt around Woody's waist, like this. Pull the line down again to draw his legs. Follow along, okay. Then we draw the typical cowboy boots. Don't forget to draw the details on the belt too. It's time to draw the arms. Slowly draw a line from the body to the side. Then we make a red scarf around Woody's neck and a cool vest. We also add the black and white pattern on the vest, like in the video. And don't forget the buttons and the boxes. Well, the drawing of Woody the cowboy is done. First, give his eyes a black color. Then thicken all the lines to make them clearer. It's time for coloring. Use the colors you have and like. We put black on the pattern on his vest. Then reddish brown for his hair, shoe crease, and the middle of his hat. Next, dark brown for the hat and boots. Then we colored the belt bright yellow and the shirt yellow. The scarf is a cheerful red. And the pants are a bright blue. Ta-da! Woody the Cowboy's drawing is finished! Thank you for drawing with us! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so you don't miss other drawing videos! See you in the next video! Bye-bye!